there, superstars! Are you ready to train your brain, have fun, and find out what's in the box? Think and answer loud, and also get ready for 3 before you blink challenge. Let's go! Cue 1. Round, soft, you peel it. Say it! Ball, rock, or orange? Orange! Yes! Cue 2. 4 legs, says woof, dog, cow, or lion? Dog! Nice one! Cue 3. Twinkles at night, point up. Is it moon, star, or cloud? Star! Good! Cue 4. It's yellow, long, monkeys love it. Options are corn, lemon, or banana. Banana! Yummy! Cue 5. It falls from sky, cold and white. Go! Is it rain, snow, or rainbow? Snow! Cool! Before you blink, challenge 1. Eyes open. Find the odd one, quick! Got it? The flower with different petals. Cue 6. Buzz, buzz, it makes honey. Say it. Butterfly, bird, or bee? Bee! Sweet! Cue 7. Big, long nose. Who? Rhino, elephant, or hippo? Elephant! Strong! Cue 8. 2 wheels, you pedal it fast. Scooter, car, or bicycle? Bicycle! Ride! Cue 9. Tiny, red, black spots. Is it caterpillar, ladybug, or cricket? Ladybug! Cute! Cue 10. Opens in rain. Quick answer. Umbrella, hat, or coat? Umbrella! Great! Halfway! Okay, before you blink, challenge 2. Find the odd one fast. Yes! 99 hiding in 66. Gotcha! You're on fire! Let's go! Cue 11. It's horse, but lives in ocean. Say it. Seahorse, shark, or dolphin? Seahorse! Water horse, smart! Keeps food cold. Pot, fridge, or oven? Quick! Fridge! Cool! Question 13. Starts crawling, then flies. Go! Worm, grasshopper, or butterfly? It's a butterfly! Nice! Question 14. Grows underground. Tomato, carrot, or cucumber? Say it. Carrot! Crunch. Question 15. You write with it. Pencil, paper, or blackboard? Fast! Pencil! Sharp! Okay, before you blink, challenge 3. Eyes open. Find the odd one out. Yes! 1 round orange slice. Question 16. Shines in day. Sun, moon, or light bulb? Quick! Sun! Bright. Soft. You sleep on it. Bathtub, pillow, or teddy? Say it. Pillow! Cozy! Question 18. Slow, has a shell. Go! Snail, sloth, or crab? Snail! Steady! Question 19. Soft and sweet. Quick! Cookie, cake, or candy? Cake! Yum! Question 20. Falls from trees, changes color. Final. Flower, Leaf or mushroom? Leaf. Done! Final family task. Now your turn. Can you make the best mystery box? Pick something, give 3 clues, make your family guess. Play together and have fun. Awesome job! How many did you get right? Like, subscribe, and click Kids Quest for more fun. Bye, Superstar!